Hello guys, today I want us to look at a certain subtopic in the unit of leading, which is most commonly tested in the diploma in banking and finance. So in leading, I want us to look at the canons or principles of leading. That is, what should the bank look at before lending money to their customers. So when looking at the principles of lending, there's usually a certain formula that I would like you to always apply, which is CAMPARI. The initials CAMPARI, C-A-M-P-A-R-I. So those are the canons of lending, and we are going to look at each one of them in particular. So for C, it stands for the character. So the bank, before lending money to any person, any customer, they must look at the character. Maybe the past relationship they had with that customer, if he was able to repay, maybe for example the past loan that they had given to him or her. Then they are also going to look at if it's a new customer, why is that customer coming to lend money to your bank if he had paid the previous money from the other banks. So that's number one. The bank should always look at the character of that customer. Then number two, the A stands for the ability. Is that person able to pay back the loan that he or she is wanting to borrow? So it's the ability of the person to be able to pay back the loan. So that's the number two, the second principle of lending. Then the third one, it stands for M, which is margin. This is usually the relationship between the amount borrowed and the security given. That's the margin. So this is where the bank is going to look at. You want to borrow us this certain amount of money. Is the security that you are giving as collateral, anything that you are giving as collateral, is it equivalent to that? So that you don't borrow too much money, which is with less security. So in case you are not able to pay back, the bank will not be able to get enough security for that money borrowed. So that's the margin. Then the fourth one, it's purpose. So the bank will always look at the aim. What's the purpose? What's the aim of the customer borrowing that money? What does he or she wants to go to do with that money? Always, they should always ensure that aim for borrowing that money, it's something that is legally accepted according to the law. Then so that's purpose. Then the other one is A, the amount. The bank should always ensure that the amount the customer wants to borrow, it's not too much and not too little according to what they want to go and do. Then after the amount, it's the R, which stands for the repayment. So the bank will always ensure to know they should always ensure that they have a certain repayment proposal. So the customer always ensures that he has given the bank the purpose or how does he or she aim to settle that loan that he or she wants to buy, for example, to borrow. If it's in a year's time, in 2 months' time, in 3 months, so you should always show that to the bank before the money is being given to him or her. So that's for the repayment. And the last one, it's insurance stroke security. The bank should always ensure that they have a security, a certain thing as a collateral, in case this customer is not able to pay back the money. So they get this, the other thing, if it's a car, if it's a house, as security, so that if he fails to pay, they can get back that thing and maybe, for example, sell it, and they are able to recover their money back. So those are the canons or principles of lending that everyone should always ensure that they know and understand before going to sit for any lending exam, either in diploma in banking and finance or in any other, for example, even in the bachelor's of commerce and bachelor's of business studies, any unit related with business with a top subtopic in lending. Always ensure that you know the principles or canons of lending.